So, you are thinking of setting up an Etsy shop to sell your crafty creations or digital artworks. That's awesome and I highly recommend it. But before you start designing logos or listing printable wall art, listen up. I got 3 super important things you should know if you want to make in a bank selling digital products on Etsy. So, take a look at these essential tips to launch your lucrative Etsy empire, shall we? So, tip number 1. More listings equals more sales. You can't sell stuff if you don't have stuff to sell. Pretty obvious, right? But having like 4 or 10 listings in your shop is not gonna cut it. You need lots of listings. We are talking big numbers here. 50 listings is the very least, 100 or more is even better. See, every listing is another chance for potential Etsy customer to stumble onto your shop. More digital products for them to browse equals higher chance they will buy something. And multiple purchases means extra money hitting your bank account. If you have a new shop, I highly recommend uploading 1 or 2 listings per day for 2 months straight. Before you know it, you will have a robust Etsy storefront bursting with products to reel in the sales. Tip number 2. Don't price your work too low. Okay, look, I get the temptation. Digital files seems easy. You design something once, pop it online, and the Etsy selling machine handles the rest. I will price it cheap and sell more copies, you think. This is a wrong approach. You should value your work and skills properly. Don't undervalue effort just because it's digital. Price fairly based on expenses, time investment, and current market rates. Compare your niche too. If similar shops charge $15 per digital product, don't dump yours at $4. Have some pride in your brand. Tip number 3. Get creative with large files. So you have designed a mega F-Sum 50 illustration printable sticker pack. You excitedly upload it on Etsy and then error message. File too large. This is the file size limit, the ultimate buzzkill. This is something you encounter all too often when uploading your files on Etsy, but there are few clever ways to work around chunky file issues. First, try compressing. It shrinks file by removing excess digital chunks while maintaining quality. If still too big, upload to Google Drive or Dropbox instead. And then simply add a shareable public download link to your Etsy listing. Getting fancy? Make a digital clickable button or text to linking to your file host. This can be easily done in Canva and will help redirect customers straight from Etsy to the hosted file ready for hassle-free downloading. If you don't know how to create a such link in Canva, I will create a dedicated video about this topic. And there you have it, my 3 essential pointers to pave a lucrative path on Etsy to selling digital products. Just remember, more listings, no undercharging, and get creative with big files. These are just few things you should know, and let me know below if this advice was helpful.